Why were prisoners from England, most of them petty thieves, transported halfway around the world, only to be dragged ashore right here in 1788? We've got so many convict stories, it's hard to know where to start. We've got blacksmiths, coopers, carpenters, stonemasons, farmers, and those who have an education that might be in architecture or even in medicine. All of them came ashore as prisoners, and many more who had no skills, no trades, and would learn them here. But somehow, a motley crew from many different backgrounds arrived here only to begin a whole new way of life here in the rocks. What are their stories, and how can we bring them to life today? What were the ingredients that made Sydney Cove special? And can we uncover them hidden in plain sight amidst the city today? Sydney's colonial story begins with a colony of thieves and a currency of rum. It's a great start, and we'd love to show you what happens next.